Might as well make some videos and show you some stuff, how to get some stuff done. If you ever want to change out that ground strap, you know, it's right there. It's right there on the back of the head, getting held on by 15. And then, you know what I'm saying, that's that ground strap right there. Getting held on by the 15. It's right behind the head if you ever wanted to know. And this is getting held on by, it looks like a 10. Let's see. Yeah, it's getting held on by a 10. You know, pushes. These are called the ratchet wrenches. They definitely come in handy. You know, push this to the left. You know what I'm saying? To tighten it. So yeah, if you ever wanted to change out that ground strap for whatever reason, cause look at the ground strap, like it's seen some tough times, you know what I'm saying? So if you ever thought about it, obviously it's easier now, like this, because I got everything out, but yeah, call me if you have any questions.